when they step, better step right. Step up in my kitchen with the chef dice. Cooking, I come out from my left, right. I got season and I do it just right. When I'm stepping in, they think I'm blessing the kitchen. I got my grandma and my app and I'm the chef in the kitchen. I think they really should be happy cause I'm blessing the kitchen. Just roll a dice and with you, I send it to chef in the kitchen. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Hey. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you my right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Chef it dice, yeah, yeah, you right. Like, share, subscribe.
Yes, sir. Welcome to your boy channel. About to make it happen again in the good kitchen. So we have right here, I have some stew meat. I done chopped up into thin slice. Also have me some red potatoes. And we have the vegetables right here. Everything being washed, rinsed, packed dry. All, you know what I mean? Made it happen. So our vegetables, we have some red cabbage. We have some celery and red onion. So that's our vegetables right there. So everything is to be mixed together. We're about to season this bad boy up. And we have it smelling good in this house. So this time to cook dinner. Okay, so we have our potatoes and our meat. So if we go ahead and season. First season I'm using. Give a nice color. Go ahead with some Italian seasoning. Perfect pinch. Garlic powder. A little white vinegar. Soy sauce. Now we'll add our water. It's going in the oven on 375. Well, there we go right there. Now we'll go ahead and hit it with I'll mix all this in. Alright, so here we go right here. That's how we looking. We don't have to put no seasoning on the vegetables because everything gonna come together. We have enough seasoning in there for the food and the vegetables. So all this has to come together. It's going in the oven on 375. We're gonna make it happen. See y'all in a couple hours. But when I was 19 years old, this is how I started right here. Just throwing stuff in the oven, baking it. Like chicken, steak, pork chops, all that stuff. Cut up some potatoes, rinse everything, pat it dry, season it, and just cover it up, throw it in the oven. And this is how I started at the age of 19. So it's easy to cook. Real talk is real easy. Alright, that's all we need. Just like that. Put a nice little foil over it and throw it right in the oven. Okay, so here we go right here. Everything nice and done. And when I say that stew meat is tender, it is tender for real. And the little vinegar that I add, it helps tenderize your meat. Make your meat that extra tender. So, that's how we looking. I'm about to get this good food on the plate. We'll make it happen. Okay, so here we go right here. Look at it. Nice healthy dinner. Have stew meat, red potatoes or vegetables. Your boy did his thing right here in this good kitchen. Made it happen. I know my mother-in-law, she gonna love this. The whole family gonna love this, but you know, I know she gonna love it because she ain't tasted my cooking in a while. Yes, that's how I'm doing it right here in my good kitchen. Other than that, I had a good time filming with y'all. Don't forget that bell notifications. Like, comment, and share. Y'all have a good night. God bless. Hit nice. Yes.